Hi my beautiful loves, it's Charlotte here from Perfect Shade Cosmetics. It has been a long break since I did my last tutorial. A lot has happened in this week, a lot of crucial decisions that I had to make. So today I decided I would give you a cute look, something that you would do at home if you're just laying around, because majority of you are still on lockdown. Yeah, so that's the sad reality. A lot of you are still in lockdown. So this is the look you would do at home when you just want to lay around in your PJs, but you still want to look cute. And you just want to torment him for what he's missing. So this is the look. It's the cute laying at home PJ look. So I've already prepared my face with my Bronze 3 corrector, my not beige 2 foundation anymore. I normally use beige 2, but somehow, strangely, I have gotten a lot lighter. So I have gone back onto fair, my fair foundation, and I am using the number 8 powder. So that's what I prepared with. I've done my brows and just a little bit of contouring with our palette. We've got the contour, blush, and the highlighter palette. So I am going to start off with the eyes, which is very dewy lashes. We have liner as well, and lots of mascara at the bottom. Nothing too much on the eyes. Focus is on the hair, the lips, and just looking cute. So I'm going to start off with the eyes with the shading color. So you can use any light bronzy shading color, a little bit of shade in the shading area, and then the highlighter and the lid is going to be a white gold. I'm using Beam, but you can use number 8 powder as the equivalent, or any other highlighter equivalent that we have in store. Okay, so I am going to start off with foundation first on the lid, just to catch that shimmer and to intensify any of the eye colors that I'm using. So remember, it's all about being cute. Just putting on the foundation on the lid. And yes, I see a lot of brands have the eye base or the pigment base or whatever base you want to use, but the consistency is exactly the same, and I just think it's a waste of money to actually purchase that, because I have seen the tutorials with on YouTube and with other makeup artists, and in fact it actually absorbs so much of your product that it doesn't intensify it, it actually dulls it. So that was my personal take on it. So I prefer using the foundation on the lid whenever I want to use eyeshadow, or whenever I want to intensify something or ensure that it has holding power. I prefer to use the foundation. I just feel it makes a lot more sense, because it's also evening out any kind of darkness or coloring any darkness. So yeah, that for me is definitely my choice. Okay, so I'm using the number 8. I tried the Beam first, but I wasn't happy with it. So I'm going over underneath the highlighter. Sorry, I'm going underneath the brow bone with number 8 powder. And just blending it to the inner corner like that. And then I'm going with Beam on the lid. I want that light yellow gold, very light. And then the shading area is going to be Baked Blusher number 5, but we have lots of other equivalents in store. So just very light and shimmery. And then I'm going to just take away some of the shady, because I just want it to look really natural. You don't want to look like you put too much of effort into this look. Okay, and then I'm going to repeat with foundation on the other side. Okay, so just applying the foundation on the lid. Just a touch of the bronze baked eyeshadow in the corner. And then highlighter. Number 8 powder. Just a hint of white in the corners. Okay, extend the number 8 underneath. And then I'm going to do liner that's a slight foxy eyeliner, nothing too much, because I am going to put lashes on. So just going to do the foxy lines that's from there and thin on the inner corner and away from the lash line halfway through and flick it up. Very thin line under. And just stopping short halfway. That, and then I'm going to fold the liner after I'm done with the lashes. Just going to quickly prepare my lashes. And while that's drying, I will do the cheeks and the lips. So I'm not trimming any of the lashes. I'm using a full strip. So for different looks, I use different types of lashes. This is just the full glam, semi-glam, not overly glam. So it's not full volume. It's a bit wispy and it's got some gaps in between. And I've also put a bit of individual lashes on there intermittently. So it gives you that wispy look. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for that to dry. And I'm all about timing, so I'm going to quickly do some mascara at the bottom. Next, I'm using a big blusher brush for the contours. So slight contour, I don't want hard lines. We've got these blush contour and highlighter palettes for 135, and I currently have palette 1, which is peach, and for the warm shades, and I've got palette 3, which is for the cool shades. Okay, then I'm going to go with Swiss Chocolate number 9, a peachy nude blush. So not overly done, very light color. Start from the top, going to the apples. Blend out, and then to really blend it out, use a powder brush, which you are getting with our latest fabulous deal. And then just a touch of number 8 over to give you a slight glow. The lashes are still getting dry, so I'm going to just fix my brows quickly using the number two brow tattoo. I've already done my brows, so it's just a matter of fixing wherever I've gone over with pigment. Slight lining, just the outer corners. Right, and then we're going to see if the lashes are ready. Make sure we curl them. I'm going to place them from halfway and on the line at the top, because I want that fox eye. But this is an elongated lash fox eye, so it's not the one where you cut, where I've done it previously, where you cut it at least 3/4 of it gets cut. Next eye. And always make sure there's no glue on your tweezer, because when you release it, that's exactly what happens. It pulls the whole thing off. So just make sure there's no glue on your lash. And we're going to do this again. Place the ends down. Place the inner corners down. Flick it up. Excess glue that got stuck here, so just remove it with some foundation and reseal with eyeshadow. Okay, next I'm going to go with white eyeshadow with the precision brush on the inside. And just lining each eye with the white eyeshadow. Now we've got shadow sticks for this, which is amazing. It just holds underneath to make your eyes look bigger. The shadow stick in white is perfect for this because it really sticks onto the waterline. Because it's quite creamy. So if you want that white line on the inside, I would suggest you go for the white shadow stick that we currently have for 97 Rand. Just waiting for the lashes to dry, and then I'm going to do some mascara at the top and complete the look with my lips. Blend the natural lashes into the falsies. And fix any gaps. And then I'm going to do my lips, which is a mauvey pinky brown. So I'm using number 15 moist lipstick as my moist. And then I'm going to go over with the lip matte in number 7. Okay, number 7 lip matte. So I'm doing a combination between these two 7s. So we've got the slim lip matte and we've got the fat lip matte. This is very matte and this is creamy matte, but they both are liquid matte. So I'm going to do a combination of both. I'm starting off with the slim one first, and then I will finish off with that, and then 15 over. Because it's not an overly matte day look. Okay, so that's the creamier lip matte, and then I'm gonna go with the really matte lip matte. It's called Chestnut, so it's a combination of pink and brown, and I've been getting a lot of requests for this pinky brown lipstick. This is definitely a winter color. Okay, waiting for that to dry, and I'm going to do the last layer of lipstick. Okay, so let's finish off the look with number 15. So that's the cute laying at home look. I'm just going to complete my look with my hair, and I'll be back in 5 minutes. So my beautifuls, this is the cute laying at home lockdown look. The look that you're going to send to babe to show him exactly what he's missing out on so that he can love you more. Hope you love this. PJs, lovely and warm. Remember ladies, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. To my regulars who are watching all of my tutorials, thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. Remember also ladies that we have just broadcasted the $5.99 special where you get a foundation, a powder, a stamp liner and a mascara, and we have thrown in an amazing powder brush that is valid for this weekend from the 15th to the 17th. However, the $5.99 special does run while stocks last. It's just the special with the powder brush that is valid for this weekend. So I look forward to helping you choose your perfect shade on WhatsApp on 079-272-4713. Until the next tutorial, remember to be cute. Bye!